AI agents were overhyped in 2024 and 2025. In 2026, they finally work. These 5 tools can complete complex multi-step tasks with 85% plus success rates. Claude Code doesn't just write code. It reads your entire project, plans changes across files, runs tests, and iterates until things work. It's the closest thing to a junior developer AI. Point it at a website and give it a task. It navigates, clicks, fills forms, and extracts data like a human. Perfect for repetitive web tasks that don't have APIs. Devin handles full development sprints autonomously. OpenAI Operator completes web tasks like booking flights or managing subscriptions. Both are impressive but expensive. Anthropic's Model Context Protocol lets you build custom AI agents that connect to your own tools and data. It's the most flexible option for business-specific automation. Which AI agent impressed you most? Comment below. Subscribe for the complete guide to building your own AI agent with MCP coming next week.